I actually need another one of these for, I'm going to put the, I'll grab them so I don't knock everything over. These are such cute tins, even for your craft room to organize some loose bits here and there. These are new baskets. It's a dual color. Garden items here, still well stocked. I feel like they keep putting things out, so these are new. Lots of summer toys. You can see that they've just been put out. A lot of things are not touched or moved, and everything is full on the pegs. Check this out. So these are giant. I don't know if they make good bubbles. Maybe somebody has some experience or feedback, but you can refill the little bottles for little hands, right? And then they have these giant bottles. So these are the large ones, and these are even larger. I think I have to buy this confetti just even for paper crafting shaker pockets. They have the cutest themes. Look at the colors, so vibrant. The little pineapples and palm trees. Very, very well done. Coasters and straws. Lots of, oh, these are cute. For a summer drink, a refresher. And these have little prints and decal. Oh, the umbrella's on this one. And then these ones have like a little pineapple decal, flamingo. We have so many. Oh, I think I need these even just to cut off this paper crafting stuff. So I think I need the light ones and the pineapple. They have a cactus as well. Such cute stir sticks. These are very cute as well. If you're having a luau theme party or even just any party. These are new. I haven't seen this print anywhere else. Lots of little home decor pieces. So these are like a little ceramic. You can, I guess, use them for milk as a creamer, your coffee cream. They have so much faux flowers right now. At some points, these all sell out and are almost empty. And then other times, they're so well stocked. How pretty. For Christmas even, if you need like the foiled feathers. These are back. They have little beads from the other stuff. Lately I've been visiting the wrapping paper and gift bags, and it's not that I need anything at all, but I always like to have something, or I like to look and just check to see if there's something new that grabs my attention. Because the one thing is, if you don't buy it when you see it, sometimes it's gone forever. So I've been seeing these cutlery sets in this wood. I guess that's good, right? It's better than plastic. I guess it would decompose a bit better. All right, so all of these patterns have caught my attention. These look so similar to the Christmas boxes without the Christmas prints. So I think these are new. I have never seen them at any of my other Dollar Trees or walkthroughs. These are cute cake toppers. Now, I think I have seen a mirrored version like that before. Anyways, I'm super excited to see all of these prints. So I'm going to go through here carefully because of paper craft. Sometimes you just can use something that's here. Oh, I need one of these. I love the prints on their paper straws. Just for paper crafting needs, you can make shaker ones and use these as the handle, something similar to like this, but I could pop, those are a little bit too big, I think. Okay, so stick to the paper straws. Look at all these treat bags with all these fun prints. I don't know why I am gravitating towards color and paper today, but clearly I think I'm missing paper crafting. And maybe I need to find a little inspiration just to sit down and make a pocket letter or some sort of loaded pocket or something. Check these out. They even come with the little slide topper, so the shark. I love them. Some with unicorns. Okay, I think I need this set just because the baby pinks. So cute. Oh, this is fun too. Oh my goodness. These are cute. I don't think I've seen novelty glasses. And they have lots of bead stuff. This I hadn't seen in a little while. And now they have these. So if you're having like a themed party, a movie night outside. Oh, these are cute. A whole bunch of options here. They're fun. But they're not, oh, these are real sunglasses, but some of them aren't. These are actually shaded. These aren't, but they're still cute. I don't know what's happening in this aisle, but all I see are new prints and paper, and it's so hard for me to resist when I see new things because like, well, I don't have that as part of my craft collection. This is so pretty. These almost look like the manila envelopes. I'm definitely after the pink. Little journal books for Juneteenth. And they have, well, oh, this is a pad folio. So it's got, yeah, the pad inside and the hardcover on the outside, which is nice and easy to use as like a clipboard sort of system. I always like looking at the pens, and these ones work really well. These are good, really good for the Cricut machine. These little I guess like little sets are they're so awesome because they come with a pen, sticky notes, like a notepad. I just think they're so cute for your kitchen if you're making a grocery list. And they're fun and pretty, and you take, a colorful grocery list with you. These are fairly new. I've seen some other styles. And they have a lot of children's books right now, like reading books. So if you need some new summer reading, they have some. They also have a ton of activity books and coloring books. Like, look at the quality on these. These are fantastic. Nice, thick pages. Just really, really great. And they have the different themes. So you can see these here, and they just have a whole bunch of different themed books. I think they have a nice selection right now. Pegboard System, which I didn't think was going to arrive at our stores, did, and it's selling really well. So if you want it, buy it when you see it, because these are flying off the shelf, especially the square ones. They are a little bit, better set up than maybe the smaller pieces. I'm not sure, but yeah, so you have a few options here. The tracks are back. I know there's quite a few DIYs out there using the tracks. I need some envelopes, just the small ones. Of course, I ran out. And these are awesome. You're going to pay a lot more for these at the post office. So if you need some hard mailers, pop it to your local Dollar Tree, because they have some awesome shipping supplies. I haven't seen this scrapbook paper with this embossing effect on it, and it looks like the whole package is embossed. These are the Michael's Recollections items. Oh, they have the envelope systems back at Dollar Tree. That's great. Should I try one of these for the beach? Not that I would take it in the water, but just when you come out of the water, has anyone tried them, and do they work? You can touch the screen through these, right? They're supposed to float in the water and all that, but I wouldn't bring my phone in the water. It'd just be more for protecting it from wet hands or sand. I don't like sand getting in my camera. This is cute. I feel like this some days. I love that Dollar Tree has all these brand names like Little Tree, and they have Armor All. So some really nice quality products. Here are the fruit fly traps. Some of you were asking if I had spotted them in the store. So they're in the pet aisle. I don't know. I guess if you're looking for them. These are awesome. The flashlight and little poop bag holder. They have lots of toys, and they even have treats. And there's some new treats here. Never heard of them. Poppers, but it looks like they were made in the USA. I'm going to leave you with a tutorial of a couple DIYs that I'm sharing here with you using all Dollar Tree items. I hope it inspires you. If you need a full tutorial, it is on the channel. I'm going to share with you the rest of the walkthrough from Dollar Tree, because I did spend quite a bit of time there, and I'll share with you in a part 2. Thank you so very much for watching, and until next time, everyone, bye for now.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay.